Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As the title says, in this video I'll show you guys how to make a Minecraft server in 2021 with more RAM, because everyone likes more RAM on their server. So before we get to that, I'm sorry for not streaming and making videos lately. I've been busy moving out of the house without choice, and school is coming to an end, which means exams and all that. But subscribe for more and motivate me to make some more content, please. And thank you, and I will try my best. Alright, so before we start, you will need Hamachi for this, unless you know how to port forward. If you don't, Hamachi saves your life. So to get Hamachi, all you gotta do is go to vpn.net. I'll post every link in the description below, and hit this big boy green button that says download now. It's for Windows, Mac, and Linux. All you gotta do is hit it. It'll start right there, and you just gotta click on it and follow the setup and create an account eventually, and then you'll open something like this, but yours will look like this. So once you've done that, you want to go ahead and turn it on. I'll delete my server thing here just for you guys. I'll start from scratch. Once it's done probing, there you go. So go ahead, delete network. There you go. So yours will look like this. If you're the creator, go ahead and create a new network. Name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name mine sub to Czor123 because you guys are nice people and I know you're gonna subscribe. Alright, and for password, you can do that whatever. Just remember, anyone who's in this can join your server. So go ahead and create. If you are one of the creator's friends who want to play on the server, go ahead and join the existing. Network ID is the name, and then password is the password that he set. And once you join, you'll see them pop up here, little Hamachi things here. If you have a green circle like this here, it means you have a direct tunnel, which means it's good, really good. If it's blue, that means you have the delayed tunnel, which means you might have to play with your firewall settings. If it's red, it means you have no connection, which is really bad. Alright, so once you've done that, this is good for now. Now what you want to do is create your Minecraft server. So open up your File Explorer, your folders. Go to the hard drive you want, wherever you'll find your server. Go and then create a new folder and name it whatever you want, something you'll remember. I'll name mine MC server, and then keep this open for now. Now go to your web browser of choice and go to minecraft.net, download /server, and I'll also post this in the description as well, where it says download blah 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 blah. Click on that and it'll pop up. Just click keep. It does this for every jar file. I already have the original downloaded here. As you can see, I did like 3 retakes of this video. So go ahead, drag that into your MC server folder, and then you want to double click on it. Well, nothing will pop up right now. It'll just create 3 new files. It'll make you agree with their rules first, and then you should, once you have these four little files here, go ahead and double click EULA. This is what you have to agree with their EULA or their agreements and stuff. Just type in true and then file save X and then run it again. So this will create all your world files. Something will pop up this time. Just like that. It created a world. It's going to create more. It's going to create a bunch more. There you go. All that. And so he's preparing to spawn. This could take a while. It could be fast. Could take a while. Depends how fast your hard drive is and how compact your world's going to be. How you know it's done though is that this average tick is going to start moving just like that, and then it'll say done right here. Once it's done, just type in stop, and that's it. You want to be sure to type in stop. Sometimes you click X, it's not gonna save properly. I've learned that the hard way. I've never listened to people saying that when I was like 12 years old and I was trying to create my own server, but I'm just saying. Alright, so now we want to run this with more RAM, so let's do that real quick. So what you want to do is right click, new, text document. This, it doesn't matter what you name this, just double click on it and then paste this code in there. I'm gonna post this code in the description as well. This is what the original code was, but since our server is called just server.jar, you don't see the .jar, but that's the file type. We're gonna replace this Minecraft here and just type in server. Just like that. Oh, I didn't copy that. Alright, just like this. So now what this is telling us is that it's getting Java. It's telling us it wants a maximum RAM of 1 GB and a minimum RAM of 1 GB, which means your server is going to run at 1 gig. We don't want that. We want to change your maximum RAM to, I'm going to put mine as 6,000. I could put mine up to like 16,000. It depends how much RAM your computer has. Just keep in mind, if you have 8, try to put it maybe around like 4 or 5,000. If you have 16, you can put up to like 8. 8's a lot. I mean, 4 to 5 should be just enough for a vanilla server. I'm gonna put my minimum to 4,000. What I'm saying is that I want it to run somewhere in between 6,000 and 4,000 megabytes of RAM. All right. So once you've done that, you want to click File, Save As, and then click Save As Type to all files, and then click Start or type in Start or whatever, Run, whatever you want. Just make sure you add .bat at the end of it, .bat, and then save. You can exit out of that, and now we have our server. You can delete this new text document. So now you want to start running it with this, but we're not going to run it yet. What you want to do as a creator is open up Hamachi, and you want to open up server. I'll give you a quick rundown. I'll give you a quick rundown right now. So logs is, you don't have to worry about it. Your world is where all your world's going to go. Ban IPs, it pretty much bans the computer that's trying to join your server. Ban players, it bans the player name that you typed in. Ops is operators, I think. I'm not really sure, I forgot. But it's pretty much the admins of the server. Server, we'll get to that. User cache, don't play with that. Whitelist is if whitelist is enabled, only these people can join your server. And how all of these work is you just type in the number or name in these brackets. All right, so let's get to the server. Open that up. So as creators, you want to right click up here, copy IPv4, and then scroll all the way down until you see server-IP. Just paste it in there, and there you go. So before we continue real quick for Hamachi, I've had a lot of wannabe smart people. I don't want to insult them too much. They've been messaging me in the comments saying, "Oh my god, I can hack you. I can track your IP now. Look, you're showing your IP. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm telling my mom." Anyway, you can't track me with this. This is a VPN. All right, guys. If anyone sees this number, it is fine. This is your VPN, okay? This is your virtual IP. It's not your IP, all right? Whoever thinks it's a virtual IP are 12 years old and don't know anything about networking. I'm actually in school for networking right now, and this is a virtual network, all right? You can't get tracked with this. I just want to put that out there. I've had multiple people tell me this, and it made me laugh. Sorry to you guys if I called you out, but I won't say any names. Anyway. So now let's go on with the important things here for the creator. If you're new at server creation, you can skip this if you want. The game mode, survival, creative, adventure, I think that's what it's called. All those are game modes. You can just, instead of survival, you can type in creative. For the sake of this video though, I'm gonna keep it survival. Difficulty, if you're a wimp, keep it easy. If you're a cool man or woman, too hard. PvP, if you want to hit your friends, it's fun. Hardcore, this is if you die, you don't respawn. You can put that to true if you're a real powerhouse. Max players, the more RAM. Keep that in mind because it's more loaded chunks. I'll just change mine to 5, so in the thing you should see 0 out of 5. Let's see what else here. Spawn NPCs if you want villagers. Spawn animals if you want animals. Whitelist, put this to true if you want only your certain friends in the list to join. online mode. This is really important, guys. Actually, I'll get this in a second. Level seed, if you want to put a random seed, go ahead. Or if you know a seed. And then message of the day down here. I'm gonna name mine sub to Caesar with a heart. All right. So now, I want to talk to you guys about online mode. If you guys are playing this game, or if you or your friends are playing this game on a cracked client like TC launcher, put this to false. Otherwise, they won't be able to play with you. The cons of that is that everyone's gonna be Steve, you know, that nice little man with ripped up clothes. But the pros of it is anyone can play with you, so it doesn't hurt that bad. Cosmetics don't really matter if you're playing with friends, you know. Smiley face. All right, so once you've done all this, just click File, Save, Exit, and that's it. All right. We're gonna go ahead and click Start here. So this will pop up here. It's a new window. It'll just start loading up. While we do this, though, I'm gonna launch my Minecraft client. Yours is not gonna look like this. I just love launching this instead. If you have a low-end PC, I highly recommend launching off Lunar Client or Bad Lion Client. It will boost your FPS like crazy. So as you can see, it's done. It prepared to spawn. Time, it took that many milliseconds. And it's done. If you had mods and stuff, though, that would take a lot longer. And so while this is launching, we wait. So just keep in mind, though, everyone needs Hamachi. If you want to play, get your friends to get Hamachi. Join your virtual network on Hamachi. It's white screen right now. Don't worry, you guys are still able to see what I'm seeing. And make sure you create that batch file that I showed you guys to you know, make sure you get a nice smooth server. But that's if you have the RAM to do so. You can't do it if you have like 4 gigs of RAM and then you're trying to make a 8 gig server. It's not gonna work. There's a common issue with that, by the way, is maximum heap size. I do have a video for that. If you guys ever get that, just comment and then I will post the video for you guys. Or I can just post it in the description. Alright, it is loading. This is loading a lot slower because it's a modded client. It's a client that adds in mods and stuff. That's why it's taking a little while. Sorry about that, guys. I could skip this, but I just talked all this time. Anyway, now that yours is gonna look different. You go to multiplayer, looks the same. I already created 2 things. I want to make it legit. There we go. So you guys can see. So if you're a friend, all you want to do is under this network ID thing, you're gonna see your friends here. And then if you're not the creator, your creator's gonna be in here somewhere. Just right click his name. It'll look like this, but like with more options. Just do copy IPv4. And then go to either direct connect or add server. Alright guys. Sorry about that. I looked at my thing and let me show you guys. Just so I'm not drunk. Alright. There you go. So it's the reason why it wasn't letting me join, guys, is because it had a big lag spike. I don't know why. Sometimes maybe I have that if someone else is joining. But yeah, see, it works now. We can just do whatever we want. And yeah. So server works, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is how you make a server with This is how you make a server with extra RAM. Plus, it's easy to do. All you need is Hamachi with as many people as you want. And yeah, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments or join my server, and I'll try and help you guys as much as I can. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye!